Hello, thank you for stopping by today. Today we're going to do popcorn, a popcorn bin, and the popcorn buckets. It's going to be like the one that's going to have our last name, and it has family movie night. And these little buckets going to have our name on it, on the side. I got both of these, all 5 of these from the Dollar Tree. You get one big bucket for $1, or you get 2 little personal size buckets for $1. So I bought 4. I'm sorry, I'm trying so y'all can see. I bought 4 these little buckets and 1 big bucket just for the house. I made these for the daycare kids as well, but the daycare kids will not have popcorn in theirs. They'll have cheese doodles due to the fact that all the kids in the building can't have popcorn due to their the age bracket. So we give them cheese doodles. So I use Oracle 651, and I cut our name out on the Cameo machine. You could use a Cricut or the Cricut Joy, whatever you have to cut the name out. If you don't have the names, you could get the pieces. You could get the sticker, the letter stickers from a craft store. Like I've seen them in Dollar Tree. So I cut them out already. So on this one, the bucket, I already got the transfer, and I got the transfer paper, transfer sheets from Amazon. Not, I'm lying, eBay. I ordered it from eBay a long time ago, and that came in a roll like this. And I had this for about 3 years. I'm gonna need to order some more for Christmas time so I can have it on hand when I start getting orders, start really rolling in. But you'll need a squeegee. I got an old gift card from Family Dollar because I use the squeegee so much. I just use whatever I could grab. So it's an old gift card from Family Dollar. So I just add the transfer the Oracle 651 on a paper like that. Bring the bucket, and I'll just add the name. And this is like a cute little thing that you could do with your kids, movie nights with your kids. We usually do this a lot with our kids. Like we have cupcake night, movies and cocoa, different things, ice cream night, and the kids get to do sundaes. They get to make their own sundaes and things like that. So you just peel it up, and it usually come up, and if it don't, you just lay it back down. Sometimes you may have to hit it with a little bit of heat, not a lot, because this is plastic, so it will melt. And it comes out like that. So you have one that says Thomas Family Movie Night. So the buckets, the Thomas Family Movie Night, that writing was, the font is Magnolia Script, and I did the size about 5.81, the width, and the length is 4 inches. So the names, I'm just going to add the name going down the side. The ones that I did for the daycare, it has, this one here has the daycare name on there, and it has movie day, because we usually have movie day or something like that. So I have like the daycare movie day, and on here every kid have their own bucket with their name on there, so they'll have a bucket of cheese doodles. So here go the transfer sheet again. So I'm just gonna lay my name on there because I'm one of the people that does the videos here. It's me and is myself and my daughter. You'll see her on here doing videos as well. So it's 2 of us, and we're both named here. So I just add that right here. And just give it a little rub. And it usually fills right up. So we're gonna do 2 more, or 3 more. The dad and the sisters, the 2 sisters. Like this. So it's a cute little gift. You could give your little nephews and nieces. The little next door neighbors. You can make it 4. Do it like a little raffle. Okay. So here goes another one. So we're just going to lay Kayla's name on the bucket. And just wipe it. And you see how hers came out. I'll do another one. And it's fast. You have names already cut out and things like that. So you're already ready. And you can knock these right on out. So that's 3. This is the last one. And this is the other one that does the videos on here with me. And her name is Shakia. And she's Rukia. And she got the first 3 letters of her dad's name and the last 3 letters of mine. And we'll add her name to the bucket. So the next movie night, when it's coming up, we'll have our own popcorn buckets. If you want more ideas like this for like little things that you could do with your kids or your nephews, nieces, and things like that, we'll have more coming. And this is the other bucket. Thomas Family Night. And it got our names on the side. So thank you for watching. And again, this font is marker felt, and I did the names 4.5 by 1.5, 4.5 by 1.5, and it's marker felt. This writing was Magnolia script, and I did 5.81 by 4. So yeah, thank you for watching, and that's it. Have a nice day. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.